Hello mga kapatid, so another recipe to share with you all. So this is a cooking series again. So this is a soup for Chinese. So there is the ingredients here. So sinulat ko na yung lahat ng ingredients yan na kailangan ilagay. So you just need to blanch this pork together with the chestnut, and then you rinse all the beans and these scallops and the squid you need to rinse in soak for a while. And then the beans you put on the water and boil it first, and then you need to add your squid and then scallops. So you add your scallops, you just need to add also this ginger. Actually don't have ginger, so yun po yung nakita ko na ingredients sa inyo. And then itong skin, orange skin, kailangan nyo siya i-soak na kunin nyo yung white color. Alam nyo yung white sa orange skin, kailangan nyo tanggalin nyo na balat lang yung maiiwan. Tapos i-blanch nyo tong pork, diba, with chestnut. So dapat ay nakaganyan siya, guys. So pag may bubbles na yan dyan na ganyan, so pwede na siyang i-rinse nyo na, tanggalin nyo sa fire, and then you rinse and clean it, and then you can add to your soup na kasama yung carrot and your lotus roots. So hindi ko dito napakita sa inyo kung paano ko kinat yung lotus roots at saka carrot, kasi alam nyo naman na busy ang lola nyo. So ganun talaga ang buhay. So kapag ganyan na, pagtapos yun na linisan yung pork at saka yung tapos yun na i-rinse, so kailangan nyo na siyang ilagay yung i-combine na doon sa water na binoil with the beans. So yun lang. Pagkalagay nyo yan, i-add nyo din yung carrot and lotus roots. So yung lotus roots, guys, I always cut into circle. Yung pa-circle siya, pero wag sobrang makapal. Parang half cm siya yung pagka-cut. Tapos yung carrots nyo naman, i-cut nyo into round and then cut into half kapag malaki. Pero kapag hindi malaki, you cut just like 1 inch na cut, and then ganun lang, napakadali lang, and then you just covered it and then boil for 2 hours, and then that's it, ready na yung inyong soup, yung lotus root soup, Chinese lotus root soup. You can add salt and pepper to taste if you want, but some Chinese, they don't like adding salt and pepper. So that's all. Thank you for watching, guys. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share if nagustuhan niyo itong video. God bless you and take care always. Please respect each other and be kind always.